Anong gusto mong marinig sa SONA?
Anong gusto ko marinig sa SONA? Ikaw muna.
Ako? Siguro,
Ako muna?
siguro si Willard muna. Hindi, gusto
Ako
ko
na lang muna.
Hindi, gusto ko nang sagot sa
Okay.
sa mahiya naman kayo.
Okay.
Ano na nangyari doon? Of course, meron namang ilang mga nakulong, pero sinasabi din ng ilan na napaka-selective nung nangyari because it was so powerful last year na nagpalakpakan yung mga tao sa Kongreso. Yung iba nga sabi, bakit kayo nagpapalakpakan? Eh, kayo yan, di ba? Parang ganon. So ngayon gusto ko malaman what happened and what is the plan. Kasi tama yung sabi mo kanina eh. This is going to be his most important State of the Nation address. Okay, ikaw.
Ako naman siguro, Pax Silica. Kasi I think it's, making rounds online. I think a lot of people are very much scared and worried about it. There are so many things that are also unclear for us. And I hope that he really addresses the development, the project, kasi it's going to be a very, very big thing. It's a huge thing for us here in the Philippines. And yun, I think deserve naman ng spotlight.
And which promises a lot of employment.
True.
And prospects. Yun na nga lang, hindi
Yes.
malinaw kung anong epekto sa kalikasan.
Exactly, which is exactly what the people are worrying about. So I hope ma-address and I hope he clears things up.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. O ikaw.
Kuya Willard?
Entry
Kuya?
na ako kagabi eh.
Ano yung entry mo kagabi? Ano yung entry mo
Hindi
kagabi?
namin maalala.
Yung follow-up sa mahiyarin.
Okay. Ako ang gusto ko...
Ikaw, Senator.
Nainis ako sa'yo. Okay, sandali lang. Don't change the topic. The topic. Okay, sandali lang. I want BBM to succeed. So meaning, kung ano man yung mga ipinangako, kung hindi man hahabol yan in 2 years, at least sana may mga nasimulan at yan ang lalabas sa kanyang report card. Diba? From past SONAs. And then, kung yung mga ikukulong, bahala na kayo dyan. Pero sana tapusin ang mga flood control projects. Diba? Kasi makulong man sila o hindi, binabaha pa rin eh. So tapusin lahat ng flood control projects and address the minimum wage issue. Diba yung paliwanag sa atin? Ang paliwanag sa amin, of course that's one-sided, is that there is no reason why the Philippines should have the lowest minimum wage, one of the lowest minimum wages in the whole world.
Na hindi na sapat sa mga gastusin.
Oo.
Araw-araw.
Dapat daw 1,600 ang minimum for a day. And right now, it's only not even 800 bucks.
Yes.
Di ba? Yun sana. O yun lang.
And in the same topic, I think sana he also addresses the concerns of the MSMEs. Kasi I think a lot of them are also very much scared of this increase of the minimum wage. So sana he
Ayun,
also gives
oo.
comfort to them, diba? Reassurance.
And while we're at it, sana yung PhilHealth din, yung mga packages ng PhilHealth at yung pwede nating makuha sa PhilHealth ay mas mapaganda pa.
Yes.
As I remember last year was the zero billing, but I want to hear more about that and that it can serve more of the Filipino people.
The real way. Yes. And sana,
Hindi na tayo tumigil.
ang mga asot pusa sa kalye. Hindi na tayo
Totoo.
matatapos.
Oo.
At sana mga barberya, huwag masyadong mataas ang singil.
At sana 1 hour lang ang SONA dahil may deadline tayong alas 5.
Oo nga. Sana direct to the poem.
Sana matapos na tayo kasi may on point na.
May bell na, may bell. Ding, 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 ding.
Bakit kayo ganon? Bakit kayo ganon? Pag Willard, pag ikaw ang haba ng pinapayagan ka magsalita.
Ayan na nga yung guest mo, Pinky.
Ayan
Ang
na,
pangalan niya si
magalit na
Eileen.
si attorney.
Yung nagbe-bell.